Good day, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I today we're just going to learn about React Native. What is React Native and how to make app. I'm just planning to make the complete course for you guys, so that once you will complete this course, which is just free of cost, then you will be able to understand the complete React Native framework, and you will be able to make mobile apps, simple mobile apps. So in this course, we'll make TikTok, uh, Tic Tac Toe app. Sorry, yeah, Tic Tac Toe, and rest of other apps like Money Converter, Currency Exchange, and yeah, much more. So first of all, this video is about setting up the environment. You just have to type React Native on Google, then just setting up the development. Those of you who don't know what is React Native, so let me explain. React Native is a framework on which we make hybrid apps. It means we will write the code once, and then simply we will run that code on iOS to run the iOS app, and same code we will run on the Android Studio to make the Android app. So it's very easy. It's just don't be scared. Just follow up with me, and it's it will be very easy for you. I promise. So let's just start. Yeah, for one thing important for iOS development, you must have MacBook, MacBook Pro with 8 GB RAM minimum. So that's the requirement. If you are a Windows user, then you can only, develop the Android app. You can't just develop the iOS app, because for that you have to install virtual machines, etc. Blah blah blah. So I won't suggest that. Okay, let's have a quick start. So, okay, we just have to set up the environment first. This is Expo Go Quick Start. You just have to click this React Native CLI Quick Start. Here is the development. If you're having Mac, you have to select this option and then iOS. Okay, and if you are having Windows, then you have to select this option and Android. So let's start with Mac and iOS. You have to install this brew install node. Just click copy. Yeah, if you won't have brew, it will give you an error. First of all, you have to install brew. Just click this command. Yeah, click this link. Here you just have to copy this, open your terminal, paste it, and just click enter. I'm not going to install it again because I already have this in my laptop. Okay, so once your brew will be installed, it will take some time, so just don't be panic. And yeah, after that brew, you have to copy this, copy, go to terminal, paste, enter. It will install this node and watchman. Okay, now just scroll down. So if you want to check your Ruby version, you can use this command, Ruby version, and it will show you the Ruby version. Like, let's check my Ruby version. See, my Ruby version is 2.6.10. Yeah. So yeah, you have to install the Xcode if you don't have Xcode in your Mac. If you are new to development, then you have to install the Mac from App Store. Just click it and it will take you to the App Store and just install the Xcode. It's completely free. Okay, After that, you have to open your Xcode. Here is my Xcode. Once the installation will be successful, you just have to open your Xcode. Well, why it's taking time? I don't like this shit. I'm not really a big fan of, Apple products, but what to do? Cannot make iOS apps without it. Okay, so I have opened this Xcode. Now, if you will miss something, you just read here. Open Xcode, then choose preference. Okay, after opening the Xcode, just come here, Xcode. The updated versions will show you settings. Just click settings. Instead of preference, just click settings. Here you have to come on this tab locations. On locations you have to choose whatever version it will show you, just choose, and that's all. Yeah, that's all, and your environment setup will be done for Xcode. Just choose this and close. That's all. Okay, so you're all set for, to install a simulator. Open Xcode preference. No need to follow this step. It will automatically install, you know. And CocoaPod is one of the dependencies. Okay, no need to, go through this. Just if you need to get some information, then you can read it. Otherwise, you're all set to go. Now, always suggest you to use this command to make your project. So this was the environmental setup for iOS. Okay, now we are going to do for Windows users. Windows, Android. Uh, I hope you guys are not getting bored or you are catching with me. I'm sorry if you are unable to understand few stuff. I am not really good in teaching, but I'm just trying to help you all to, you know, have some good skills. I'll try my best to improve my videos in future so that you guys can easily understand. Okay, Windows, click Android. Just simply copy this, open terminal, paste and enter. It will install JDK, Java Development Kit. Okay, for that, if you don't have Chocolatey, this is Chocolatey, then just install Chocolatey first. Open this link. Okay, from here, you can just, it's been a while I didn't use this Chocolatey stuff. Okay, the package manager. I think you don't need Chocolatey now. Just, yeah, just install the download and open this link. Just follow this first step. Download and install Android Studio. Then just once the installation will be complete, then follow these steps. I always recommend you to go with recommended settings, which Android Studio will show you. As I already have the Android Studio, I don't need know, to install it again. So But I suggest you to, whenever it will show you to import settings, or it will show you to go with recommended settings, I always suggest you to select recommended settings, and it will install all the SDKs automatically. Then in Android Studio, to make sure you have everything, just settings, 1 second. Um, you can find the SDKs from, actually I normally get my SDKs from here. This is the sync thing, device manager. Yeah, from here you can generate your device, like create device, then choose any device, then next. Then from here you have to install one. I'm using this 31s to run my apps. You can choose any 33 or yeah, I'll suggest you to choose 32 or 31. Don't always go for most latest stuff. Then next, it will create your device, and for to run the device you can just click here and the device will be run. This is the SDK manager. Just click it. Here you can check your SDKs, like whatever you need. So I'm using this Android API 33. Then let's check what this React Native doc was recommending. SDK platform 31. So I'm using this SDK platform 31. Intel X or Google APIs. So I'm using this Google APIs Intel. Okay. So once you will choose the recommended settings, it will automatically install this stuff. If it won't install, then you can just simply come to the SDK manager and uh, check this box and then apply. It will start the downloading. Okay. So this was the settlement of Android Studio. Then you guys have to scroll down. This third step is to set up the Android home environment variable. This one is just to, those who are having Mac, it's not for them, it's just for Windows users. You guys have to follow these instructions to set up your Android home environment. Okay, and you can also use this alternative way, but I'll suggest you this one. Okay, then you will be all set for, to create your app. So this video was for the environment setup. If you guys get confused, then just comment on the video, ask me anything. I'll be available, or just email me or text me on Telegram. My Telegram is available, and I'll feel happy to help you in this. I want all of you to follow this properly to install the environment properly. After that, we'll move to the next video. And if you already have the setup, then let's just move to the next video.